Basement ranch in a beautiful setting, on corner lot that backs up to a small creek. Solid home with a great floor plan. Main level includes living room, dining room, kitchen, den with fireplace, main owner's suite with laundry attached, and 2 additional bedrooms. There is an opportunity to remove a few walls and make a bright and open plan. Lower level offers huge rec room, bedroom/office and another large room that is heated and cooled that would make great storage/workshop or bedroom. This is a great opportunity to add updates to make this your own.